This is the MetaQuest 3S, and I'm just going to do a little unboxing here. First off, this is a really cool product. If you're looking for some fun playing games with VR, this is going to be the way to go because it's got full color AR augmented reality where you can actually look around your own room and see everything you need. But check out these goggles. These things are phenomenal. Here they are here with the cameras. You have a strap on the back and you have your controllers that fit perfectly in your hands, easy to use and play different games, discover what you want to discover. There's a lot you can do with this. There's also an extra little bit here where you can pop on in case you have glasses that you want to wear while you do this. That way you don't have to worry about taking them off. You have your inside little lenses where you're going to actually preview and watch your games. And the whole thing is actually pretty lightweight on your head. You don't feel it too much like other ones. It actually works great. You can charge this thing up with the included USB-C cable. And you just put this over your head. It will fit big heads or small heads alike. You can just adjust the strap on the back to fit it the way you want to fit it. It's definitely their best product yet. And especially when you're playing games, it feels very real. The controllers are motion controllers, so they actually can detect when you're moving it around. So if you're aiming or trying to go in a certain direction, you could just actually angle your controllers if you want to. You power this thing on, you get it all set up the way you want to get it set up. And one of my favorite things is you can actually connect it to like a phone or a TV so that other people can see what you're seeing in this. That way, if you're playing, people can kind of enjoy and see what's happening. And it's really accurate. Like when you're playing ping pong, it actually feels like you're hitting it. It has a little haptic feedback in the remotes. And even if you want to put spin on it, it just actually feels very real. The quality looks amazing, and this is the best upgrade yet. So I will have a lot of fun with this. My whole family will have a lot of fun with this, and I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.